Hello viewers, Vanakkam. Today we are introduce some home remedies for to bring down your blood sugar level. You all know about diabetics and what is diabetes and what did they do in your other. We find them naturally. You all put some tablets and medicines and medications and allopathies, and we found that naturally lowering your blood sugar level with your home remedies. Okay, first we all see what is that diabetes and what the symptoms in. So you will feel frequent thirst and dry your mouth and frequent urination, fatigues and itchy skins and blurred visions, mainly the wound that don't heal. Okay, then we're going to see our remedies. First, jamun seed. Jamun seed is known to have hypoglycemic properties, which has ability to reduce your sugar in blood sugar. You added a spoon of crushed jamun powder and stir well and drink it regularly on your empty stomach in the morning. It will help to reduce your blood sugar unimaginably. When flanking powder, it can also used to control your diabetes and increase the glucose tolerance. Glucose tolerance is main thing in your blood sugar level. That seeds powder stimulate your segregations of glucose and depend insulin. It's alternative in controlling the both type of diabetic. And soak 2 teaspoons of that seeds in water overnight and drink the water alone with the seeds in the morning on a empty stomach daily. And cinnamon powder, you know about cinnamon, and it also controls the diabetes and eliminates blood sugar level in the body by triggering insulin activities. So studies have shown that it helps to reduce an oxidative type and stress, which plays an important role in reduced blood sugar level in diabetic too. So you added a half teaspoon or cinnamon powder in warm water and drink it daily, or you used to put in some cinnamon tea also. So aloe vera juice, we all know about very much about aloe vera, and it helps to lots about our skin and body temperatures, and it helps to reduce your diabetes too. The enriched with photocellulose aloe vera helps to regulating blood glucose level. Consume a cup of unsweetened aloe vera juice daily for immediate result. If you want immediate result, you take aloe vera juice twice in a daily. And Kerala juice, nothing but it's made from bitter gourd. It contains 2 essential components called serotonin and monoglutine that have blood glucose and reduce lowering the properties. Drink bitter gourd juice on an empty stomach in every morning. You can include dishes with bitter gourd in your diet to lowering your blood sugar levels, and a lot of benefits too. Then we are going to see our neem. It's an effective remedy for treatment of diabetes, and they are loaded with flavonoids, so antiviral components and glucose, cycloglucose, and which may help manage your blood sugar level. To make neem powder and consume it daily for optimum benefits. And mango leaves, finally, drinking a tea with mango leaf works magically for the people with diabetes. Boil few mango leaves for at least 15 minutes and strain. Drink this tea on an empty stomach. Here we are going to all this product you need to drink an empty stomach in the early morning. It will amazingly gives a result. Consuming curry leaves, and we all have that easily, so you can use it. It reduced insulin sensitivity in your body, so automatically it reduced blood sugar level. So chew on curry leaves and you can add it in your favorite dishes and salads too. And ginger, consuming ginger regularly, it helps to reduce your blood sugar level. Regulating, it helps to regulate your insulin. So take an inch of ginger and bring it on a boil with a cup of water and drink this 1 or 2 times in a daily. It also give amazing results for you. So do some do some regular exercise like walking, running, dancing, biking. So it's all will help you the reducing the blood sugar level. I hope this video will help your diabetes and lowering or balancing your blood sugar level. So thanks for watching this video. Please do share and like this video, and don't forget to subscribe and bell icon. We'll see you in the next video.